So, hanging around the boatyard, you end up with meeting some people that you've never met before, and you kind of become friends a little bit and help each other out. So, Bruce, come on up, Bruce. Bruce from Calgary, and he's here in Sydney. So, what brings you here from Calgary? Other than
my wonderful boat.
Your wonderful boat. And what is it? Tell us about your boat.
This is a 1974 Aloha, 28 feet, 8.5 meters. And yeah, I've had it for 4.5 years. So
4.5 years, and
okay, I bought it in Shelburne, which is about 300 miles from here, and so I came up the coast by myself. Motored all the way.
And some worldly issues prevented you from getting it in, just keeping it in the water every year. So this is the first year or first season back.
That's right. So I spent the first season and a half in St. Peter's, and then I came down to Sydney, came through the Door Lake and out into the ocean, and came around into Sydney Harbor, and I had previously participated in something called Race the Cape, and so I figured that the Northern Yacht Club in North Sydney is actually the best yacht club around, so I wanted to be here.
And once you're out on the water by yourself and all you hear is water going and wind flapping and no engine,
it's great.
It's
great. It's great.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's a great hobby.
Now this boat, it's got a little single or twin?
This has got a very interesting engine. This is a horizontal, single-cylinder, 9 horsepower ferryman engine. It's a German engine. It starts up and goes put, 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 put. And you'll recognize that. It's a very unique sound, and it's a great, tough engine.
28
Diesel,
feet the boat is, right?
28 feet. 28 feet, 8.5 meters, and very stable boat. Had it weighed yesterday, and it's 9,600 pounds without the mast, so just over.
So we're doing some work here. I'm helping Bruce out with some repairs. As we say, Bruce helped me put my mast up, and we just became friends over the last couple of days. There's another guy here. Anyway, we're doing some work on the keel. Trying a bit of a crack there, some water leaking out, and all that stuff. So
just enough water to be a real pain.
Just enough that the paint wouldn't stay on. So we'll get there. We'll get there. So we've been here a week now. We got the sails on, so just finished that. There's absolutely no wind here, so that's great because you don't want wind when you're putting sails on. So that's what it looks like. We got the roller, we got the head sail rolled up, and then we got the main sail. We just put it on, so we're just gonna let that fall down now. We probably might go out and try this afternoon. So M34, that's the Morgan 34, and 282 is the actual serial number. So that's that's the I guess series 200. She's number 282 of I don't know how many built. I guess that's the way that goes. So yeah, so that's what we look like there now. So we might go out. There's light breeze, so it might be a good time just to fool around and see what happens, I guess. Light breeze there. I'd rather go out with a light breeze than 20 knots or something first time. So anyways, we've been here a week. We're getting things straightened away. We're almost ready to start. So this is sail cover, and that's our weather thing. It goes around the back here. So yeah, so we're looking pretty good, I think. Holly, are you sailing?
I suppose I am.
Are you sailing?
I don't really. Yes.
I don't hear an engine.
That's right. And I'm trying desperately to stay.
Our first sail on Frill. Yoo-hoo! Very light winds, which is what we want. We just got the sails up this morning. More port, Holly. We just got the sails up, so now we're out testing, trying. Yeah, some more port. Port.
Well, I'm waiting for it to readjust.
So now we're out just testing things, put the wind, put the sails up, see what happens. Light wind, so it's a good time to play. I've sailed before, but Holly hasn't. So yeah, so everything is good so far. We're just lightly playing around here. Look at you, all yellow.
Yes.
Now you're sailing. Now you've got something else. You got somebody doing the work for you.
Well, until I learn, because I don't know nothing.
So here's the ferry. Oh, here's the Coast Guard ship. That's probably the one we were talking on the radio.
We're in the Sydney Harbor right now.
Sydney Harbor. I don't know what that thing out there is all about, but anyways. Yeah, so auto helm's working. We have the sails. We haven't got much for wind going on, but a little bit of breeze here and there. Fishing boats around us a little bit, so that's a good day to play around, trying things out.
I swear to God, you're gonna fall in the ocean one day.
Oh, I probably will.
Because you're a little bit, your sea legs are not grown yet.
Well, you can't. When you got a wave, you just can't predict everything.
My center of gravity works better.
You can't predict everything, baby.
But your height, you can see more.
So, yeah.
It's from that fishing boat. He's gone now, but he came up right beside us.
I think we got attacked. It's time to go to work. What happened? We lost our wind, eh? We're going on 5.8, 6 knots, yeah. Beautiful day. We're gonna head back down to the marina. As you can see, there's no wind, so it's not much good for sailing. So that was a good first test, playing around with the sails and getting used to stuff, and Holly getting to see how it all works. Like I said, I've sailed before, but first time on this boat, of course. But Holly's never sailed or nothing, so it was good for her. Good first sail?
Yeah, once I figured out what I could do, what I couldn't do.
Boat's a bit of a drag, eh? That thing. We're going a long distance. We'll put it up on the davit stick, get the motor off it.
Kind of cute.
Yeah.